Wood is a precious resource, and harvesting it properly is an art. Join lumberpro to discover the technology, techniques, and interesting stories behind each tree. A chainsaw is a powerful tool designed to cut wood quickly and efficiently. With a gasoline or electric engine, the sharp saw blade rotates at high speed, making it easy to handle everything from small branches to large logs. The chainsaw roars to life, its sharp blade spinning at high speed, ready to tear through the wood. The operator checks for safety, adjusts his stance, and prepares for precise cuts. The saw blade bites into the tree trunk, producing a deep, resonating sound as its sharp teeth cut through the wood. Splinters fly, and the trunk slowly separates along the precise cutting line. The cut deepens, and the massive tree begins to lean. In an instant, a loud cracking sound echoes through the forest, and the entire trunk crashes down with immense force, shaking the ground. Chainsaws are indispensable equipment in the logging industry, wood processing, and even in household chores such as tree pruning. However, when using a chainsaw, absolute safety must be ensured because this is one of the most dangerous tools if not properly controlled. Large logs are quickly reduced to smaller pieces under the power of the chainsaw. Each cut is precise, making wood processing easier than ever. The mechanical arm extends, and the sturdy steel clamps grip the log tightly. Within seconds, the massive log is lifted off the ground and neatly placed onto the truck, ready for transport. The log loader is not just powerful, but also incredibly precise. Each log is stacked neatly, one on top of the other, without any misalignment. What once seemed like heavy labor is now effortless, thanks to modern technology. The steel arm moves tirelessly, lifting, transporting, and stacking logs within seconds. Its outstanding efficiency speeds up the logging process, saving both time and labor. Deep in the heart of the forest, the rumble of heavy machinery echoes through the trees. A convoy of powerful logging trucks and loaders makes its way through the rugged terrain, ready to transport massive logs out of the woods. Narrow dirt roads, deep mud, and steep inclines make this no ordinary ride. Every turn requires skill and precision as these heavy loads push the machines to their limits. With a full load secured, the truck begins its slow journey through the dense forest. The uneven dirt road is full of obstacles, twisting turns, deep ruts, and fallen branches. Each movement of the truck sends vibrations through the heavy logs, but the experienced driver carefully maneuvers, keeping the truck steady through the rough terrain. The sharp curves and muddy roads do not discourage the logging truck driver. With firm hands on the wheel and unwavering determination, he skillfully navigates through the slippery terrain, ensuring that the heavy load reaches its destination safely. Before sawing, the logs undergo thorough quality inspection. Workers assess moisture content, check for cracks, and remove defective parts. Only logs that meet the standards proceed to the sawing process to ensure high-quality final products. The logs are fed into large saw machines to be cut into planks of various thicknesses. Sharp blades operate at high speed, slicing through the grain with precision. Workers closely monitor this process to ensure the correct dimensions and shapes. The sharp circular saw spins at high speed, slicing through the log with precision. The screeching sound of metal against wood fills the air as clean planks are cut. Workers carefully monitor the process, ensuring each cut is accurate and does not damage the quality. The modern wood splitter operates powerfully, with sharp blades pressing down on the log, splitting it into even sections. The sound of cracking wood echoes as the strong force cuts through the grain. Workers closely monitor the process to ensure the wood pieces are split to the correct size and remain straight. After logging, stump removal is an important step in preparing the land for farming or reforestation. Workers use grinders or specialized machinery to remove large stumps. After logging, stump removal is an important step in preparing the land for farming or reforestation. Workers use grinders or specialized machinery to remove large stumps. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. See you in the next one.